Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to swap ETH for BNB using MetaMask. So first of all, you just have to open your MetaMask wallet and you just have to make sure that you're connected to the Ethereum mainnet. So if you want to swap ETH for BNB directly, you will need to use a cross-chain bridge because ETH is on Ethereum and BNB is on BNB chain. So to do this, just tap on the menu and then select the bridge option in the MetaMask app. So now you just have to choose Ethereum as a source network and BNB chain as the destination. So in the token section, you just have to select ETH and then just enter the amount that you want to swap. And then just after that, just tap on continue and review the estimated BNB that you will receive and also the informations. And then confirm the transaction. And once the bridge is complete, your BNB will appear in your wallet on the BNB chain. And if you don't see it, you just have to switch to your network in MetaMask to BNB chain to view it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!